My name is Jeff Cross. I'm the Media Director for Cleanfax. I'm here with Katie Smith, the President of RIA. We're at the trade show towards the tail end of it, and I thought I'd get with Katie just for a moment. Thank you, Katie, for your time today.
Thank you.
But tell us about, what do you think about the show this year? Did it meet expectations?
It exceeded my expectations. We have been registering people all the way up until the last minute. We are actually over 1,000 attendees, which is record-breaking attendance for any RIA convention. The networking is awesome. We had a great industry party last night sponsored by Sunbelt Rentals with hundreds and hundreds of people all just getting together, having a good time, building relationships and expanding their network. And we've got a great trade show. Our vendors said that this is the best traffic they've seen in an RIA show in a long time. So there's a lot of good energy and a lot of good things happening with RIA right now. I
agree. I've enjoyed this show. Busy, lots of people to talk to and network with. My next question, Katie, is about perception. It seems like RIA has really grown in the last few years, like a rebirth. What's the deal with that?
So we are trying really hard to get everybody to understand that RIA is for every company. It doesn't matter how small, how large your company is. We've actually revised our member dues to make RIA membership accessible for everyone. Right now there's an entry level of $199 for your first year. It doesn't matter what size revenue you are. So we're trying to get everybody in the door so that they can have access to all of our member benefits, especially our advocacy benefits, really with our pricing benefits to just help you run a better business. So we're trying to reach thousands and thousands of restorers who are not in the RIA fold yet.
Yeah, great information. I've noticed at this show a lot of talk about partnerships.
Yes.
And just talk about that a little bit. How important is that to RIA?
Okay, just like at our party last night, Sunbelt Rentals presented a check for hundreds of thousands of dollars back to our members. It's representing the affinity partnership that we have with them, where when you do business with Sunbelt under their program, you get a rebate back and the association gets a rebate back. That's our affinity program, and we have lots of vendors that are in the pipeline, some already current. We announced yesterday that we just struck a deal with Verisk for anybody on Xactimate to be able to get a discount through the RIA program there, and then RIA benefits from that as well. So we have actionable insights, Surety, Earth Visions, lots of great companies offering discounts to RIA members. So we want it to be where your discounts are so great that it really doesn't make sense for you to not be an RIA member.
Yeah, absolutely. Last question, I know you're busy, so tell us what's maybe some things happening now, or especially the future of RIA, because when the show's over, the momentum has to keep going.
Right, we work year-round, we volunteer year-round. We just presented our 3-year strategic plan to our attendees. Advocacy is at the cornerstone of that. We know that there are a lot of issues out there that restorers are facing, and we're fighting on those issues and trying to give you the tools and the resources that you need to be able to be more efficient, to get paid faster, just to be better at what you do. So growth and engagement is a big deal as well. Hiring a lobbyist is going to be our long-term goal, and that hinges on growth of RIA membership, but also showing you things like how to recruit and retain talent, showing people in your organization how to go from entry level all the way to a restoration professional with our advanced designation. So education is really big on our list as well, but if you just want to know in one word what we're focused on for the next 3 years, advocacy is it.
All right. Well, Katie, thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you at the next event.
Thank you.